Good morning, everyone. I am Lady Aryo Okanyeda from BE2B. This time, we are going to make an interactive learning for our students using the PHET interactive simulation tool. So first, we're gonna search the PHET on Google, and after that, we're gonna browse the website. This interactive tool helps the students to be engaged in different subjects such as math and science. So this is how it looks, the PHET website. So here there are different subjects and branches of science such as physics, chemistry, earth science, and biology, and also math. By using this interactive simulation, it is easy for the students to understand the topics that you are discussing to them. Here we are going to explore the subject biology. And after clicking the biology, we can choose our topics that we'd like to discuss to our students. So here you can choose different topics about biology, and here we're gonna use the topic about natural selection. And after clicking the natural selection, you are entering here. We have the topics and also the sample learning goals or objectives that you can use with your class. It's up to you if you're using this sample learning goals or you are making your own objectives for your discussions. And now let's click the play button. So, a natural selection means through which genetic material is selected by nature to be more of an advantage depending on habitat, predators, and supply of food. All of those things that allows organisms to survive in that certain area. To start with, let us click the intro. As you can see, we have a single bunny here and a lot of food supply, the green leaves, and with a desert environment with a brown background. And this season is a sunny season. So what we are going to do first is to add a mate. So just click add a mate. As we can see, the population now has become 2. When bunnies do their things, they will produce pretty rapidly. As we can see, they are fast growing and they are now become 6. And now we can add a mutation where dominant trait is a brown fur and the mutation is going to occur and then change with the genetics within the population. And as you can notice, now the brown bunnies are becoming to multiply also. Now we can add a wolves, which is the predator. So let's see what happened. So let's see. So the wolves are taking many of the bunnies. And if you look at the population, it seems like nature is selecting brown fur to be an advantage. As you can see, there are more brown fur bunnies than white fur bunnies. And we can say that the brown fur bunnies are better camouflage than white bunnies. And then nature is selecting the trait as a common trait of the population. So there are a lot of things that you can do here. You can change the environment. You can limit the food. So the bunnies are taking all over the world. So now let's try to change the environment. So here we can also change the environment like winter season, and you can limit the food and just like that. So to start again, you click add a mate, and also let's try the dominant here is a white 4. So and recessive is a brown 4. So just like before and again, you can add an environmental factors just like the wolves here. So as we can see, the brown fur is starting to occur. We have two brown fur and we have many white bunnies. So now we can add predators, and let's see who will be left. So the environment is starting to select the dominant. So here we have the dominant. Oh, ayan siya. Just like that, you can add many things that you can do in your simulation of natural selection, whether the factors are predators or the environment, or it is the food or the limitation of the food. So what's the natural selection will do, the nature will do upon choosing an organisms to live in the environment. And that will be all. Thank you.